Hello and welcome. We are doing a hot lap around Fuji Speedway ahead of today's FIA Manufacturer Series race, and I'm going to highlight a little technical point on rotating the front engine cars more effectively. It's all about using gearing to your advantage. This technique done just right helps flick the rear around tighter corners so you can get on the gas sooner. Too soon you lose the rear, too late it just understeers, but just right and controlled with the throttle you can maximise your time here for a banging qualifying lap. Let's take a look. Coming into turn 3, I want to lift the throttle sooner than you might think, then just at the first apex you drop it into third for a little bit of that turning help. Hold the corner patiently and then boom, back on the gas. Same for turn 4 with a cheeky flick into first gear, then back up into second just to get that turn in. Now here's where things got a little bit iffy by braking too early for the penultimate corner, which compromised our exit and subsequent entry into the final corner. We ended up a touch too wide, so we went for a much more aggressive use of dropping into first gear right at the rev limiter, which created a rear slide. Keeping a sharp eye on the apex, I wait for the car's slide to line up, and in comes the squeeze of the throttle to catch the car and hold it before going full send onto the back straight. This is a really tricky thing to do and takes a lot of practice, but when you get it right, God, it feels good.